Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Every time this year, at the end of the holidays are coming right now, and Ulta Beauty came out with their Sweet and Shimmer line, which is, their little affordable line that they come out. And they came out with just Bath and Body. They came out with some lotions and some tools and also some makeup. So for this review specifically, I'm just going to be reviewing just the makeup stuff itself. I know that there's a whole lot more, but for me and for what I do, I'm just going to be focusing on the makeup. So let's get started. As I said, the Sweet and Shimmer collection already came out, and like I said, there's a whole bunch of other stuff, but I'm going to focus just on makeup. And they came out with a blush palette, a eyeshadow quad palette. They also came out with a lip balm, which I think is just super cute. I love stars, and so this one was just like, I have to have it, and it's just so cute. I have to do it. They also came out with an eyeliner with actually a sharpener on the end right here at the end of the eye pencil. Yes, eye pencil. It's black. It's the only color they had. And they also came out with two glosses. The let's see, Pink Swirl and Nude Swirl, and you can kind of see that they're really just different colors. I haven't opened anything except for the eyeshadow palette, and there's a reason for that, which I will talk about later. So normally when I prepare for a video, I try to do some research and some things that I ask questions about or I'm interested in, and quite honestly, Ulta did not give me very much, as you can tell. All they said was, this is a eyeshadow palette, a great stocking stuffer. It's pretty much said for everything, and it's for everything that's in their little line for holidays. And okay, it's not much, but that's what they gave us. And everything is priced at $2.99, $3. So it's super affordable. The nail clippers, the nail files, the lotions, the body wash, just everything, all $2.99 stocking stuffers. So I figured, well, let's see if, these are good things, if they're good quality, and, maybe these are great items for someone that's beginning makeup, who doesn't really quite know what's going on and feels a little overwhelmed. We're going to start with first the blush. As you can tell from my complexion, I'm not wearing very much. I have just foundation, concealer. I've powdered my under eye to keep my concealer in place, and I've done my brows. So that's why I look a little funky. And I have nothing on my face that looks weird. I know. But we're just gonna sit out here and see for ourselves. So the blush palette is two colors, and it looks like it's just two colors. Like I said, it's more of a red tone here and a pink. So let's see here. Ooh, okay, so it's really powdery. So you can kind of see right there. This is more of the darker pink right here, this one here. And let's see how it swatches. Interesting. Let's see here. Very powdery, kind of hard. So these are the two colors right there. You can obviously tell the darker pink definitely stands out, so I probably will use that more. I might do a mixture of the two, but oof. This stuff is really just, it's very pigmented, that's for sure. I'm like all over my hands right here, my fingers, and it's just like, it's definitely kind of everywhere. So we're gonna start with the blush first. And seems to grip more on the specific spot that I placed it. It's really kind of blotchy. I know this is gonna be a little funky, but I'm actually gonna do the light pink on this side. Yeah, it seems to just grip on that one spot, and it's not really like wanting to blend in. just stay in one spot, and I can just see a big open gap right here and then a little bit more color. But even then, it's just like, it's not even. Yeah, I can just see right there. So it looks really strange. It doesn't seem to want to blend very well. Overall, I'm just thinking, you know, $3 definitely is an affordable stocking stuffer option, but I'm probably not all for the blush. I don't think it's a good idea. The next thing I wanted to test out was the Sweet and Shimmer eyeshadow palette. It doesn't say any colors or anything like that, but I was looking at this and it immediately made me think of another palette, which is the e.l.f. one. So it's similar. It's not exactly the same. I actually took a picture and I compared the two, and the top row is the Sweet and Shimmer and the bottom row is the Bite Size eyeshadow cream and sugar one. So they're so similar in colors. It's so interesting when I was comparing the two. Obviously, you know, the pan here is much bigger than these ones, but they're the same price point, and I almost thought, you know, a dupe for a dupe. And I thought it was really strange. But anyway, we're gonna try this one out. I have tried this and I love this. These bite-size eyeshadows are amazing. I think they're so good and they're affordable. You can get a whole bunch and just mix and match and just get a complete look here in itself, or just mixing them all, and I think they're great. So let's try this one out. Now the one in the Sweet and Shimmer, for the Sweet and Shimmer one, there are 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. The lightest one, this cream one, and this darker one are both matte, and then the 2 shimmer ones are right here. I don't quite have a lot to work with, so I'm just gonna go with the look, the colors I'm given, and just kind of go with it. So I'm gonna take this bottom one right here, right there, and I'm gonna use that color, and I'm kind of using it pretty much kind of as my crease color because I don't really have much to work with in this sense. There is quite a bit of fallout. I'm kind of nervous about the shimmers because I tested out another one that the shimmers kind of just got in my eye and it wasn't pleasant. They kind of hurt. So I'm kind of nervous about these shimmers too. There's definitely shimmer in this color, but there is a lot of pigmentation, which is nice. It's blending okay. It's not like amazing. Seems to want to just stick in one place. So now I'm going to take this darker brown right here. This brown is not pigmented. You can kind of see just the single color versus with the dark brown. It's hardly noticeable. It's just subtle. So the pigmentation is not that good. All right, I fixed the other eye. Now I'm going to use this light shimmer color. I'm gonna put this on my brow bone, just right underneath here, this one up here. And I'm gonna use my finger, just because it's easier. It is buttery though. I will say that, just touching was really buttery. I'm seeing a little bit of fallout right around here on my face too, right on my cheekbone. Let's see here. And I can kind of just see it fluttering around in the air. So there is that. All right, last color, the light color right here in itself, the top, in a sense, this one right here. I could do it, I can point right there. That color, I'm just gonna put kind of in the center of my eye here. I'm just gonna, oh my gosh. There is just a cloud of eyeshadow stuff. This is a no too for me. I mean, I got the look, but it just like, it wanted to grip and not really like blend in a sense. It wasn't, no. This is a no. I prefer, you just get the e.l.f. This is a better stocking stuffer. It's the same price point, much better quality, and there's a whole lot more you can choose from. This is the only one that they came out with. Get this one and its friends too. So much better, so much better. Now to continue on with this look, I'm going to try out now their eyeliner pencil in the shade Black. And there's a sharpener, like I said, at the very end, which makes me wonder if I have to sharpen it to begin with. Okay, no, I don't. Good. It's already sharpened for me. So let's see here. Can I attempt to, oh, and there goes a little tip. Just gone between my eyelashes. I'm gonna see if I can do a kind of a small, simple wing. I'm not gonna try and go too crazy. I will say this, that there is definitely some tugging just trying to put it on. That is a challenge. Oh my goodness. And it's not even good. Oh my goodness. The Sweet and Shimmer line has not been taking it, knocking it out of the park like at all. Oof. It's not very good either. Yeah. No for me on this too. So now we have finally the lip glosses. I'm not going to use the lip balm. I wanted to keep it just, I'm not using the lip balm. It's obviously not very good quality based on everything else that I've tested out, and I know it's just going to dry my lips out in the end, so I'd rather just not even put it on. So this is the, let's see, the Pink Swirl. So let's see here what it looks like. It's very glittery. I'm going to show it really quick what it looks like. And then this is the Nude Swirl. Okay. That's what they look like. Very, they got pigmentation. There's definitely some glitter in there. Don't think they're, no, they're not huge chunks or anything like that, so that's nice. Let's see here. So let's try first the Nude Swirl. Let's see how it looks. So Nude Swirl is really, really shimmery. It could definitely go with this eye look if you really wanted it to, but it's just kind of a brownish color. It's really pretty. I like the color, I like the effect of it. The color's really nice. It's not like super sticky or anything like that. Let's try the Pink Swirl next. It's more of a pink tint to it, just really light color. It's making my lips look really like full, which is nice. Definitely gives the illusion of that. They're not bad lip glosses, that's for sure. I'm not sure how they will react with later on, if they'll dry out my lips, which they probably will, let's be honest here. I mean, honestly, quite out of everything that I've tried so far, I probably would go for this. Quite honestly, that's based on everything else that I've tried on. I mean, the blush, just, you can tell it's blotchiness and there's like a section missing. It's not blending out. The eyeshadow just gripped. It's buttery, which is nice, but that doesn't mean that it's gonna blend out. Again, do e.l.f. better stocking stuffer. They're gonna appreciate it a lot more, and there's a lot more to choose from. Eyeliner, no, it tugged, and I just couldn't get a really good wing. I'm not thrilled about that. Lip balm, if you don't mind testing that out, if you don't mind, go for it. Anyway, I hope this was useful and informative to you. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And I hope you're having a great day, great week, great weekend. Please be safe. I love you, take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.